Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to apply for the post-matric ST scholarship for the academic session 2024-25 through National Scholarship Portal. If you're watching this video and new to the channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So this is the interface of National Scholarship Portal through which you can apply for post-matric ST scholarship. The link is attached in the video description. If you click on the link, it will take you to this particular site. And before we proceed with the application form, there are a few things that I want to highlight in this video. The first one is regarding OTR registration. The second one is face authentication. The third one is uploading of documents, and the final one will be submission of your application form. So these are the few important points which I'll be highlighting in this video. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Here you have to click on students, and out here you have to click on OTR as I've already mentioned. So to proceed with the OTR registration, first you have to click on register yourself, and below this you can see you have to agree with the points that has been mentioned. So please go through all the points before you click on the checkbox. After doing this, you can click on the checkbox and proceed to next. Out here you have to register with your mobile number. So once you enter your mobile number, you have to click on get OTP, after which you'll receive an OTP of 6-digit PIN in your registered mobile number, which will be valid only for 30 minutes. So you have to enter this OTP, and then you need to enter the CAPTCHA, which you can see here, and then you can click on verify. After doing this, you have to proceed with the eKYC form. So as I've mentioned, in order to register for OTR, you have to first go through certain procedure. That is, first one, you have to read all the instructions, and then you have to click on the checkbox. Then it will take you to the registered mobile number where you have to enter your mobile number, and then you have to proceed, and then you need to fill the eKYC form, which will be linked with your Aadhaar. And to get an OTP for your Aadhaar number, you have to link your mobile number with your Aadhaar number. Only then you will be receiving your OTP of your Aadhaar on that registered mobile number. So after entering your Aadhaar number, you can click on get OTP, and here you have to click on I agree. After doing so, you have to enter this OTP which has been sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. So then you have to enter the image CAPTCHA, and then you have to click on verify. After this, you need to enter your mother's name, father's name, email address, image CAPTCHA, and then click on finish. After clicking on finish, you'll be successfully generating a reference number which will be helpful during the time of OTR registration, and this reference number will also be sent to your registered mobile number. After that, they have mentioned that kindly download the NSP OTR mobile app and complete your face authentication for generating OTR. So you have to download two applications. The first one is NSP OTR, and the other one is Aadhaar Face RD, which is a face authentication application. So these are the two applications which you have to download from the Play Store, and then you have to further proceed to OTR registration. After installation, you will see welcome to National Scholarship Portal OTR application. So these are the options which you will see on your mobile screen. Here you have to first click on eKYC by face authentication, and then it will take you to enter your temporary reference number which has been sent to your registered mobile number. So after entering the details, you can click on next. After clicking on next, your profile details will be displayed. Out here you can click on proceed for face authentication. After that, these particular details will be shown. So here you have to click on I agree, after which you can click on the checkbox and then click to proceed, and you have to show your face, which should be inside this circle for face authentication. So once you are done with the face authentication, this particular information will be displayed on your screen, which states that you have successfully filled the form and your OTR number is this, and the password has been sent to your mobile number. So once you are done with this, you can click on login. So once you click on login, here you need to enter your OTR number and the password which has been sent to your registered mobile number. If you have not received your password, then you can click on password And here you have to enter your OTR number and click on get OTP. After that you need to enter the CAPTCHA and the OTP, and then you need to click on verify, after which you'll receive a password in your registered mobile number. That password will be only for one time, so once you receive that password, you have to change by entering the old password and converting into new password, and that password will be used during the time of the application form for scholarship. So since I have received the OTR number as well as the password, so this is the password which will be sent to your mobile number. And here you need to enter the CAPTCHA and then click on login. So here you can click on continue. So enter the same OTR and password which you have entered earlier and then click on login. After doing that, here you need to change your password. So your password should consist more than 8 digits including your alphabets and symbols. So here you need to enter your current password which you have already entered earlier. So that password you have to enter here, and then you need to enter the new password and then enter the same password here, after which you need to enter the image captcha and click on submit. So now you are successfully done with the OTR registration with your new password. So once you are done with this, you can go back and then you can click on students once again, and here you can click on apply for scholarship. So here you need to enter your OTR and the new password that you have changed. So after entering your OTR, password and image captcha, you can click on login. Then it will take you to this particular site. Here you can click on apply fresh. You can scroll down, click on the checkbox and click on I agree. Here you have to enter your domicile state. Scholarship will be post-matric. Application type will be scholarship and click on submit. Once you are done with this, you can click on OK, and here you have to click on proceed. After doing this, you can click on fill application form. So these are the details that you will see on your screen. You have to scroll down, and this is the part where you need to enter your details such as your community. If you are belong to ST, SC, OBC, General, any of the category you can select, and then next will be your religion. After that, you can enter your family income, which is for the annual, so you can enter, and based on this annual income you need to also make your income certificate. So please make sure that whatever you have entered here, it should align with your income certificate amount. After that, here you need to select your parents' profession. So if there is anything that is matching with this details, you can click, otherwise you can click on others. And here marital status, you can click on unmarried, not applicable. Next one is permanent details, you can select. So after entering your details, you can click on save and next. Next one will be your academic details. So to select your institute, you can click on get institute. If you remember the institute by the code, you can click here and then you can enter the UDISE code. So to search the institute, you can click on search by name. So you can see, you can click on this and then select. After this, you can select on the present course. So accordingly, you can select on the present course. Here it will be for 2 years, and the present class date will be 15 July for all the students. So here you can enter your registration number excluding the year. So you can get this from your mark sheet as well as from your registration card. So please enter your registration number. Here you can enter your admission year, and here you can enter your present roll number. After this, since if there is any sections, you can enter that section number, otherwise you can just say not applicable. And then mode of study, regular, full-time, hosteler, you can select yes. And here you need to enter your previous academic details, which will be your last semester details. So for the students who are on your first semester, you can enter your previous institution or the college which is affiliated to Nagaland University. So in case if your college is affiliated to Nagaland University, you can enter that university name, or if you have passed out from any of the institution and that name is shown on this drop down menu, you can select that. And previous passing year, this will be applicable both for fresh and renewal. Previous qualifying exam, So this will be post-graduation for the students who are on the renewal, and for the students who have applied for the first time for the first semester, that will be degree, graduate or undergraduate. So accordingly you can select, and here you need to enter your percentage. To enter your percentage, please make sure that you have calculated the percentage from your CGPA to percentage, and for this the video has already been uploaded. For example, for the students who has passed out your undergraduate studies and you are applying on your first semester as fresh, then you need to calculate all the marks and divide by the total marks of that particular paper into 100. That will be the process of how to convert your CGPA into percentage, not based on taking the CGPA that you have obtained and divided by 7 or 10. That will be incorrect, so please avoid that kind of mistakes. For the students who are in the third semester, you can take the final CGPA of your second semester and then you multiply by 10, you'll get your percentage. Next will be your class 10 details and followed by your class 12 details. So as you can see, these are some of the details that I have entered for class 10 as well as for class 12. So while entering your percentage for class 10, you need to add the marks from all the papers and divide by the number of papers and multiply by 100. Likewise, for class 12, you can also add all the papers, or you can select best 5 papers and then accordingly you can enter your marks. After doing so, you can click on the competitive exam details if you have appeared any of the exams and then you have cleared, you can enter the details, or you can skip this part and click on save and next. Here you can click on continue. Out here you can click on post-matric scholarship scheme for ST students and then click on save and next. You can click on next. So this is the section where you need to upload your documents. First one will be your scanned copy of mark sheet of last academic qualification. Next one is fee receipt, hostel certificate, disability certificate, caste certificate and income certificate. And all these documents should be in PDF, JPG or JPEG format, and the file size must be in between 20 KB to 200 KB. So if the file size is more than this, then you have to compress the file and then you need to upload. The first one is your scanned copy of your mark sheet. In case if you are on your first semester, then you need to scan all the mark sheet of your bachelor's degree, or if you have your transcript which shows all your marks, then you can also upload that along with your transcript certificate. Next one is your fee receipt, which will be from your second semester and third semester for the third semester students, and for the first semester you can enter your first semester. Hostel certificate, which will be issued by the hostel warden, so you kindly upload that. Disability certificate, if in case you fall under the disability category. Next one is the caste certificate. Here you need to enter your ST certificate, which is issued by the designated state authority, and then your income certificate. In case if your documents are still not ready, you can still click on save as draft, so that whatever details that you have entered, it will be saved. And once you get your documents, you can continue from where you have left and then you can upload your documents, after which you can click on final submission. So this is the process on how to apply for the post-matric ST scholarship. Also, in case if you find some errors in the application form, you can still click on withdraw application and then you can reapply. And this can be done only when if you want to change your selected scheme, or if you want to continue with your renewal application. Either of the options need to be selected in case of withdrawal application, or applications can be withdrawn till scheme nodal officer verification dates are open. Application is not processed for payment. So based on these options, you can withdraw the application. So this is the information that I want to highlight in this video. If you have any queries, please kindly drop it in the comment section. And with this, I want to end my video. Thank you and keep watching Shisak Tombo.